Evaluating algebraic expressions. Ano ba ang evaluating an algebraic expressions? To evaluate an algebraic expression means to replace a variable by a particular value and to simplify the expression. Dito ay pinapalitan natin ang mga variables ng particular na value or number at sinisimplify ang isang expression. Okay, so the steps are replace the variable by a number from a replacement set. Then the second one is perform the mathematical operations following the PEMDAS rule. Ano ba uli ang PEMDAS rule? PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay? So let us have the example number 1. Evaluate 5a if a is equal to 6. So what will be our solution is replace a with 6. So papalitan natin etong si A na to, si A siya yung variable, papalitan natin siya ng 6 dahil daw si A daw ay equal kay 6. So this is the replacement set. Okay? So let us now do the operation. So we have 5A is equal to 5. Replace natin si A ng 6 kasi A is equal to 6. 5, then do the mathematical operation which is multiplication. 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. So therefore, the value of 5a if a is replaced by 6 is equal to 30. Example number 2, find the value of quantity x minus 2y quantity plus 4 if x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 3. In this example, x, etong ating replacement set, x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 3, and this is our expression. So, x is equal to 20, so ibig sabihin nito, ang papalit natin kay x ay 20, then y is equal to 3, ang ipapalit natin kay variable y ay 3. So, let us now solve. X minus 2y plus 4. So, we have, let us use x. Replace x with 20 minus 2. Replace natin si y ng 3 plus 4 is equal to, do the innermost parenthesis first. Hanggang sa unti-unting mawala ang lahat ng parenthesis. Then, 2 multiplied by 3. So, this is 6. Since ito ay minus sign, so minus 2 times 3 is 6. Then, bracket, plus 4. Again, do the innermost parenthesis first. Kung sino yung may parenthesis, siya muna ang uunahin. 20 minus 6 is 14 plus 4. Then, add. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Example number 3. If C is equal to 28 and D is equal to 4, what is C minus D all over 6? So this is division. So this is our replacement set. C is equal to 28 and D is equal to 4. Our variables are C and D. So we're going to substitute 28 for C and 4 kay D. So we have C minus D all over 6. So, we have, replace natin si C ng 28 because C is equal to 28. So, papalitan natin si C ng 28. Minus D ay papalit natin kay D ay 4. All over 6. So, we have 28 minus 4 is 24 divided by 6. Simplify, 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Let us have example number 4. Evaluate 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 for x is equal to 2. So we are going to replace the variable x ng 2. So what are the different steps? There are already exponents that are involved. Okay? So let us substitute the value. So this is the equation. Substitute natin itong si 2 dito kay x. So we have now 2 multiplied by 2 still raised to the second power minus 3 palitan natin si x ng 2 plus 5. Then, simplify muna natin yung terms na may mga exponents. So, in this case, ito lamang si 2 na to ang may exponent which is 2. So, we have 2 squared or 2 raised to the second power. We're going to use 2 as the base twice. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Minus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5. Then, perform the operations working with the innermost parenthesis muna. So, ito yon. Mumultiply muna natin sila kasi naka-parenthesis to. So, itong unahin natin lagi, yung mga naka-parenthesis. So, 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8 minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6 plus 5. And then, nang mawala na lahat ng parenthesis, so let us now add and subtract from left to right. As you can see, there are two operations that are involved, subtraction and addition. So we're going to do the operations from left to right. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So therefore, when we evaluate this expression, this is equal, the result is 7. If x will be equal to 2. Example number 5, evaluate x squared minus 3xy plus 5 for x is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 1. So, ang variables natin ay si x at si y. Ang replacement set natin ay ito. So, first, substitute natin uli ang mga values ni x at ni y dito sa expression. So, ang value ni x ay 3, ipapalit natin dito. Then, lahat ng may x, papalitan natin ng 3. Then, y is equal to negative 1. Lahat ng may y ay papalitan natin ng negative 1. So, we have 3 squared minus 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by negative 1. Ito yan, plus 5. Then, simplify muna natin yung terms with the exponent. So, ito lamang yung may exponent. So, simplify natin. 3 is the base, 2 is the exponent. Which means that si 3 na base ay ginamit siya ng dalawang beses, twice. That's why we're going to multiply 3 by itself twice. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Minus, let us now multiply these 3 integers following the ruling in the multiplication of the integers. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 9. Okay? So, plus 5. Then, perform the operation. So, we have down 9. Then, since we have 3 times 3 is 9. Multiplied by negative 1 is negative 9. Since we have the negative here, negative 9. Or we can do negative 3. Multiplied by positive 3 is negative 9. Multiplied with negative 1 is positive 9. That's why we come up with positive 9. Then plus 5. So, add 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. So, the result is 23. So, let us have the following activities again. We're going now to have the table supply the missing values in the table. So, n, these are the values of n na ipapalit natin sa algebraic expression na to. For in n, pwede siya maging equal sa 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay? So, let us have the first one. If n is equal to 1, so 2, palitan natin si n ng 1. So, we have 2. Palitan natin si n ng 1 minus 1. Simplify. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. The next one, papalitan naman natin si n ng 2. So, we have 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1. So, 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1 is 3. Palitan naman natin si n ng 3. So, 2 multiplied by 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1 is 5. Then, replace n by 4. 2 multiplied by 4 minus 1 is equal to 2 times 4 is 8 minus 1 is 7. So let us have the following. Evaluate the following expressions if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, X is equal to negative 3, Y is equal to negative 2, and Z is equal to negative 1. So if we're going to have the first example, A, B, C, which means that we are going to multiply lahat ng values na ipapalit natin dito. Okay, this is a multiplication process. So let us now replace. A, papalitan natin ng 1. Si B, papalitan natin ng 2. Si C, papalitan natin ng 3. So we have A, 1, B is 2, then C is 3. Then do the multiplication process. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 6. Number 2, negative 4x plus 7y plus 2z. So we're going to replace si x ng negative 3, si y ng negative 2, at si z ng negative 1. So, just copy, negative 4, kopyahin lang. X, palitan natin ng negative 3. Plus 7, palitan natin ng negative 2, si y. Plus 2, palitan natin si z ng negative 1. Then do the operation. This is a multiplication ng integers. Always remember, negative multiplied by a negative integer multiplied by a negative integer will result to a positive integer. So, negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. Positive 7 multiplied by a negative integer, so positive 7 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 14. A positive integer multiplied with a negative integer will result to a negative integer. So, positive 2 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 2. Then, perform the operations, subtraction, following the subtraction of the integer rule. 12 minus 14. So, unahin muna natin gawin to. 12 minus 14. So, this is negative. Si minus magiging plus. Si positive 40 magiging plus. Positive 40 magiging negative. So, we have 12 plus negative 4. Okay, so this is equal to 12 plus 4. Magkaiba ng sign ang ina-add natin. Magkaiba ng sign ang ina-add natin. So, therefore, isubtract natin, then get the sign of the integer with the highest value. So, magkaiba silang sign, subtract. Since si 14 ay mas malaki kay 12, so we're going to get the sign of 14, which is negative. So, negative 2. Then, copy the negative 2. Ito naman ang i-perform natin ng operation. Negative 2. Always remember the keep, change, change. Negative 2, si minus magiging plus. Si positive 2 magiging negative 2. Then, since na parehas na negative integers ang ina-add natin, just add 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then copy the sign dahil parehas silang negative. So, we have now negative 4.